is getting ready to rake. We got this rake this year. We've never used it. Doesn't look like it's doing that good of a job. I don't know. That back one's not spinning worth a crap. You've got a big old ball in it. Bam. So, I don't know if that's gonna work or not. I haven't been able to help Sean for the past 3 weeks. I started off with just like headaches or something. I don't know what was going on, but then I started checking my blood pressure, and my blood pressure is through the roof. So I'm not going to go to the doctor. So I mean, everybody don't be like me in that aspect, but he's fixing something. He pulled out an adjustment earlier, so I mean, we're just now trying it, so we'll see. He might need my help. But I've been down for the count for like the past 3 weeks. It's been terrible. Oh, I feel like I've got nothing accomplished, and I have not helped Sean. Okay, he's getting back up. Let's see what happens. So I started a low sodium diet, and I mean, I guess we're just gonna see what happens from there. High blood pressure. Oh, I'm getting ate up by all these little red freaking bugs everywhere. That's not raking anything. There he goes. That's a little windrow. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing. Our other rake is like not that kind of rake. It's one of the ones that, I mean, I just help and follow. But it is one of the ones that is like, if I could call it anything, it would be like a cylinder, I guess. So it's circular. It's just a normal rake, I guess. Like, I don't know. I use it. I like it, and it's little. But this one's supposed to be quicker, and we have a lot of hay to catch up on. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get some more footage. I'm here just being motivational, I guess. I'm still extremely lightheaded and dizzy. And if anybody who deals with like high blood pressure or anything like that, you know how I'm feeling. But yeah, massive headache for the past 3 weeks. And my headache literally just went away today. Today's my first day without a headache. So, strict diet, low sodium, and I'm just gonna see if I can lower my blood pressure healthily like that. So, Sean got everything raked somewhat. Looks good. But now I'm walking over because something's going on with the baler, and I don't know. My job is usually to walk hundreds of acres, and where's Mariah? Don't leave her. There's a pond right there. Mariah does not need to be around the pond. So anyway, my job, of course, is to walk the 100 acres. I pretty much like walk everywhere, follow everywhere. I don't know. I'm gonna walk over and go see what's happening, and I guess follow the baler. I sure do love hay. I love it a lot. But you'd think I'd be a lot skinnier with all the field walking I do. Alright, stay tuned. Here she flows. Or eats, I guess. This stuff's got a lot of sticks, and it is not wanting to go in there. What I need is a shovel or a rake. Somewhat figured out. It's spitting out bales. Get a little bit of the inside. So I know it's super duper dark right now, but you can hear the frogs. Just listen. Those are some good frog legs. It's exciting. But you can't really see anything. You can see the city lights, but there's a bunch of bales out there. Square bales, that is. We're done for the night though. It's dark. It's 10. None of us have ate, and I still feel lightheaded, but yep, we're done. I'm leaving you off with the frogs. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.